Nice wood, nice. Up. Yes. Nice wood. Das auch. Up. Nice wood.
Dude, check it out. On my previous video, I haven't even published that video yet. I don't know if you've seen it, but I'm currently editing a leg day where I mention on that leg day that it's my last leg day in the city because I'm done with university life and I have officially moved back home. And I brought all my books I was using in the city. I got books from my profession because this is what I was studying, social work. So I got some books about social work, and then I have some personal life books, like this baby right here, one of the best things I have read in my life, A Little Life. Actually, I slept next to these books, bro. I did it on purpose. I just threw these books in bed and then I slept. And this series right here, bro, this is one of my prized possessions. This actually got messed up on my way here. This was duct tape because it was books and books and books and books and books, and then on the last one I just threw in duct tape. Don't ask me why I freaking did it, but these babies are awesome, bro. Like this one right here, bro. It's just the language in these bad boys. The language in these bad boys is like nothing you've ever seen before, bro. I want to show you some from. Check it out. Back when I was still in high school, there was a book called To Be or Not to Be, and it low-key translated these William Shakespeare books, and there was a Julius Caesar translation there. And this line in that book read, "Even Brutus, et tu brut," you know. It's just freaking awesome, bro. There's a ton of books here, bro. This is the second last book I bought when I was in the city, bro. Anyway, I'm thinking I'm gonna put the. Please don't judge my cables, just don't do that. I think I'm gonna put the bookshelf here next to the TV stand. And I know what you might be thinking, why don't I just use the TV stand for my books? No, you will see once I've settled in, there's gonna be some stuff here that I like next to my TV. It's gonna be my kettle. I make a lot of coffee, so that's just gonna help me out. And besides, this TV stand is old itself, bruh. It's not stable, you see? Yeah, anyway. So I think this bad boy, this setup will have to find itself another home. Maybe in another room, maybe in the garage or something. This is so fun, bruh. This is freaking amazing. I am settling back home. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Check out the stuff I left for myself when I went to the city for the last time. That was when the lockdown ended and schools reopened. Check. Yay! I had creatine. I had a bottle of J&B and alright, this is the stuff. Hey, there I am. Hello, me. You good? Oh man, I love you so much. Anyway, this is the stuff I like next to my TV. My kettle, my plunger, and I told you I love coffee. I want to fish some stuff that I'm going to use for the... So this room just has a bunch of junk, and I am going to get just some stuff I'm going to use for my bookshelf. I think... Yay! Yay! What do we have here? So cute! Yeah, man. They don't even know me. I can't touch them. So I think I'm going to use these. These look like they're from an old fridge or something. I got a bunch of amateur tools here. I got wood glue. I got this. I don't know what this is, but I think I'm gonna use it for whatever I'm gonna use it for. And then I got saw. I don't know how long this is gonna take, and I don't know how I'm gonna do it. So the best thing would just be not to film the process. But I'm gonna show you when it's half done. I'm gonna show you when it's 3/4 done, and then I'm gonna show you when it's done. I probably won't even end up finishing this because I've done a lot of projects when I'm at home that I never finish. I'm not even ashamed to admit that. I'm not perfect. But alright, let's get cracking. Yeah, I got some audience. I got some audience. Say what's up. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
How are you, boy?
I'm fine.
Ew. Shop shop. We was going through a bunch of ideas, bro. And this was originally gonna be the frame. We were initially gonna use this as a frame, and then we were just thinking of ways we were going to have some kind of branches there, bro, to make shelves, you know. But we thought, why don't we just use these as a bookshelf, you know? It's a smaller bookshelf, but it's a whole lot smarter, and it's more convenient, it's more efficient, it uses a lot less energy and resources, bro. I mean, for example, we won't have to wash this, we won't have to paint this, we won't have to varnish this. We got a bookshelf, you know? So what we just gotta think about now is how to make this, you know, less wobbly, because I have wood glue. I don't think wood glue is gonna work on this. I have my bookshelf already. This right here is my bookshelf. Chances are not all my books will fit, but it's still a bookshelf, and I'm happy with it. And the award for the laziest nigger in the whole damn town goes to... Yo, man, I got tired, bro. I got really tired, bro. I have a lot of stuff to sort out. I have a bunch of stuff to do to really settle in, and I just... I'm sorry, YouTube. I'm sorry, I tried, bro. I gave it my best shot, man. I gave it my best shot, man, but... I gave it my best shot, bro. I tried, bro. I just... that's it for today's leg workout. Shout out Terra. I was featuring him today, and it was a nice intense leg workout, man. But my favorite thing about today's leg workout is that it marks a milestone in my life. I'm officially done with my honors degree. This time next year, if God allows, I'll be a qualified social worker. That's intense. It's awesome. I thank God for that. And man, I'm huffing and panting. It's cardio. Anyway, this is my last leg workout in Metro Gym PE. It's been an amazing place. I've met a lot of amazing people. I've learned a lot. Literally tomorrow I'm going home, and I'll get to experience one of my favorite feelings, having pains from a leg workout from another city, in another city, because I'll be at home feeling leg pains from today's workout. That'll be intense, that'll be awesome. Man, my shoulders are tired from holding the camera. I've been trying to make this video for a while. Don't want to lie to you, but cheers, man.